How to block YouTube channels. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels so you won't see content from creators you no longer want to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now search for the channel you want to block or find it in your recommendations or subscription list. Now let's say this is the account that we want to delete. Once you found the channels, click or tap on the channel's name to open their channel page. Now on the channel page, simply click or tap on the three dots located next to the subscribe button or at the top. And here, as you can see, this will open a menu with different options. From the menu, select block user. This will block the channel from appearing in your feed and you won't receive notification from them. If you cannot find it block user, then you can simply tap on hide user from my channel. This will also do the same as blocking the user. Simply YouTube will ask you to confirm your decision, confirm that you want to simply hide this user, and it will be added to your blocked list or the hide channel list. Now, if you ever want to change your mind and want to unblock the channel, you can go to your YouTube settings under privacy. Under privacy, you can simply find blocked contacts, and here simply find the channel and select unblock.